Welcome to the Model Grouping Quick Tip for KeyShot 4. This video will demonstrate and explain how the use of groups in your scene tree can improve organization and workflow efficiency. Model hierarchy of your CAD data may not always be ideal for a smooth workflow in KeyShot, especially when using certain features such as render layers, model sets, and part animations. The artist or designer assigned to a render project may not have access, time, or resources to make changes to the CAD data. However, new to KeyShot 4 is the ability to create part or model groupings directly in the scene tree. As you can see, this file lacks organization. I'd like to add the knobs to a render layer in order to easily output with a separate lighting pass. Instead of selecting each part individually, I'll use the marquee selection tool by holding Shift while clicking and dragging. First to hide some of the parts in the way, then to select the knobs. Right-click on the selected parts in the scene tree and add to group. Select the level in which you'd like to add the new group, give it a name, and press OK. Be aware that using groups will break update geometry and live linking. Now with the knobs in their own group, select the top level and add to a render layer. You can also click and drag directly in the scene tree to reorganize models or parts. Now with the knobs group on the model level, we can easily create a duplicate, assign alternative materials, and add each to a new model set so we can quickly toggle between the two. Finally, I'd like to add a part animation to close the lid. Instead of creating an animation for one part, then copying and pasting the linked animation to the others, we can create a new group, select the lid parts, and move them in. Then create a single animation for the whole group. This reduces clutter and the amount of individual animations you see in your scene tree. So, as just demonstrated, model grouping in KeyShot 4 makes the use of certain features smoother and more efficient, while allowing changes to model hierarchy without having to open a CAD application. Another reason why KeyShot is the fastest, easiest, and most accurate 3D rendering solution for you and your 3D data.